Okay, hello everybody. Today we are developing a bit of Flink, my future social network. So we added the Meet page, which is like the main view after you log in, with the tabs and all the sub widgets, all the sub views, all the pages, interesting stuff after you log in. So we have a people page and a Meet page defined. I don't think we have anything else. Let me see. No, we don't. So run local, let's see. We should also start storing access token, the access token and the refresh token, which we are not using yet, I think. Yes, somewhere. We can probably do that today. That would be good. By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing or how to do that, so we have to learn that together. So this is the Explorer should be the people page, and the Meet page is not working good. Why? Why are you crashing? Oh, probably was just the wrong tab index, I think, because they're not named or something. I think they're selected by index. So I'm checking. We have definitely to save the access token. Jesus. So the Meet page is probably here. Yes, it's not crashing. So yes, this is the people page and this is the Meet page. All right. So let's see. When we log in, where is the user model? The user state. What do we get? The access token? Yes, still quite primitive. We'll make it better someday. The access token is here. With Flutter, the simplest way to store that is gonna be with shared preferences, which is it's not gonna be something we will do in production, like access tokens in shared preferences is very bad. We're not gonna bring that to production, but for now I think we can learn how to use shared preferences. So shared preferences, let me see, prefs Dart. Is this Swift? Yes, of course, for iOS. So if I understand it correctly, the shared preferences module works for the web too. It's I guess it's gonna be using the local storage. And shared preferences Android implements what's missing to work on Android, I guess. Remember that I'm totally improvising. I don't know what shit I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm looking at. Just learning and improvising. So shared preferences. PubDev. Is it PubDev? Yes. Can you share preferences? Yes, it works everywhere. We are interested in Android and the web for now, and iOS in the future. So let's see how we do that. Actually, I think I already used this in the past, but anyway, it was a long time ago and maybe it changed, so learn it again. So this is how you write and this is how you read. Let me see, remove. All right. Is this as simple as this? Really? You just instantiate the shared preferences and asynchronously write. Alright, cool. Yes, we can try that. So is it good to obtain an instance every time I want to write something, or should I like make it global and pass it around? Let's do it the simple way for now. So when I get the access token, let's see. JSON decode access token. Alright, so here we get an access token. Submit on press. Yes, here is the action of the login button after you typed in the OTP. Yes. So here we can try to store in a shared preference. And by the way, we're also building for Linux. So where are these gonna be stored? Now wait, does it build for Linux? Yes, Linux. Maybe just something under config, I guess, or local under home. Alright, so let's see. Financial preferences. Can you import that for me? Thank you. Wait, we cannot await here. Though. Alright, this is bad. Let's say we don't need this more than once. Can I then just as soon as it's ready, we can set that it's gonna be a string. Okay, let's try. Return refs set string. Let's call it access token, and the value is x. How do we? Oh man, this is bad. Wait. Let's do a final access token. Yes, and it's gonna be access token. And here we assign access token. Is it correct? Okay, let's see if it. Wait. Let's say this works. I have no idea. Let's try to read this. Now where? So when the app starts, what do we load? Yes, the initial route is the welcome page. So it retrieving the access token and trying to use it to see if it's any good. It's probably something we have to do in the welcome page, I guess. Yes. Now, how do we do that? Let's see. How is the method that it's run when you finish loading a widget code? Damn it. Login. Yes, we need to override init state. I mean, I don't know if we need to, but that's how we're gonna do that for now. Set the state, yes. Oh, but welcome page is a stateless widget, so we don't have a state. Great. So we could maybe... The app has a state, so we can do that here. Yes. Let's try. Okay. Here, let's try to get it from the shared preferences. Here, let's copy. Yes. Let's see, we have to block, though. I mean, not really, but we have to inhibit the interface somehow. But this is something we're gonna do in another time to do. Why is not highlighted? How do we get the string? Press get string. Okay. So get string. And it doesn't need to be awaited. It's optional though. So final option string access token. Okay. If it's not null, we have something stored. And I'd like to have a look at that and assign it to the user state. Yeah, the same thing we do here. Okay, let's see if this builds. Let's see what happens. Alright, no errors. Launch the app again. Look, it's printing a token. I think it worked. Nice, I think it worked. I'd like to see that. I'd like to see how the web version works. So let's build for the web. what. Okay, Chrome. Of course, it popped up on the wrong screen. Okay, let me open the console. Why? Okay, let's see, what do we have in the local storage and the session storage? So I think nothing now. Correct. Let's try to log in. And see if, yes, it's working as expected. Great. Now in production, how do we want to handle this on a web browser? The same way, right? Yes, because there's nowhere more secure than the local storage. Yes. Yes, there are, of course, some strategies to make it even more secure, like splitting the secret between the local storage and the session storage, but we're not gonna do that. Otherwise, there's no way to keep the user signed in. So we're not gonna do that. Yes. So in production for the web, it's gonna be just the local storage. Yes. So it's working. Nice. Great. Are we out of music again? Okay. The links. So now we should test it somehow. Like trying to obtain the locked user info. Yeah, so you both try if the token is still valid, and you get the info if it is. Okie dokie. How is it called? User state. Fetch user data. Okay, so fetch user data is already using the access token we put in here earlier. So yes, we can just call fetch user data, which returns our feature, so we can just wait for that. Perfect. Sorry, alright. Now here then yes, we can return its future, right? How do I call that? is it? Alright. Yes, we do it like this. Alright, and if we get the data without errors, we push the me route. Let's change this. Let me page the route. And hide the loading spinner, of course. Let's see if do I suspect? I think we're gonna end up in the catch only in case the connection or the request fail. Not if we get something like unauthorized or something. So we will need to handle that. But for now, let's see if it works. Let's see if we get to the me page. No, it exploded. Let's see. Oh yeah, this context does not include a navigator. Let me check it. Yeah. Okay, so here we don't have a navigator. Why? Is the internet connection gone bad? Again? Why isn't Twitch loading anymore? Like, am I still streaming? OBS reports an error with the streaming, so I'm not streaming. Jesus. Since when? Like, what the fuck is going on with my internet connection? Look, we're having trouble finding the site. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Look at the shit. It's a second time today. Fucking hell. Alright. Sorry for that. What the hell is going on? Well, I cannot ping my router. Jesus. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on with my router. Anyway. So we were saying that didn't work because in this context we don't have a navigator. So where does that navigator come from? Wait a second. What is this? What? Hey, looks like the internet connection came back. Is it my fucking router up now? Yes, now I can reach. I suspect it's a problem with my local network configuration though. I mean, on my workstation, I don't think our lovely MikroTik is going bad. This is really, really terrible. Let's see. Can you please OBS start streaming again? OBS, please. And we are offline. So why don't we have a navigator here? I'd like to have someone to ask, but sadly nobody's looking at the stream right now, so... Sorry. Oh good, are we streaming again? Hello again. Like, who is our navigator widget in the other context is? Oh, I see. Maybe it's because we are not in a material app yet. Yes, here we're not in a material app yet. I think this is why it doesn't have a navigator, because we are not in the. I mean, we don't have an app yet there. Here, so what else now? Yeah, so I have no way to navigate somewhere, right? Yeah, so we have to do this later. I think. Yeah, probably in the welcome page. Or we could change, we could put a condition on the access to, like, if we are sure we are logged in, the initial route becomes the me page, but it's really bad because we will not await for that. This is gonna be rendered with the welcome page, and it's gonna be really bad, so we're not gonna do that. So because we can do this here, we have to do this, yes, in the welcome page, I think. Yeah, right. Which is stateless. So we are gonna make the welcome page stateful. Alright. How do we split the screen? Split, right. Welcome, alright. Alright. Take this. Make the welcome page state. Yes. State for welcome page. Alright, here we are, okay. And this will be the welcome page state. And here we have a state for the welcome page. Alright. So welcome page has become stateful, and hopefully we can navigate from here. So let's override the init state of the welcome page. Here. What's wrong? want this anymore here. What is all this shit? We don't need this, do we? It belongs to the mid page, yes. But I don't think we need this anymore. So we don't have tabs anymore here. Okay. Let's get rid of all this useless stuff. This is all the stuff. Okay. So what's the problem? What did I have to import? Provider? Maybe? Well, okay, let's see if this works. And here, let's see if we can navigate from here to the me page. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, give me my terminal. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's not the me page, but I think something happened. Or maybe, yeah, maybe just we didn't have the tab selected, the right tab selected for some reason. Let's go to the me page. What do we have? A column with cards? Yeah, this is still to do, like everything. Child cards. Yeah, this is bad. I'm sorry. Like, what is a card? Card. Can we add a card? Where is card defined? A card? Man, this is crazy. Okay, let me put some text in the me page. Go away. Okay. How is... do we have... Okay, is this correct? Can do this. Will this display some text? Yes, so still it's not just a tab problem, we're not ending up actually in the me page. Wait a second, but is it correct? Like, where did I tell it to route? Welcome page, me page. No, okay, it should have pushed the me page. Maybe. This is correct. It's just a problem with the new routes I defined and never tested. So probably that's here. Probably this is the... Oh yeah. You see that? Because... Alright, it's working. It's working nicely. We just don't tell Meet which tab we want to display. And how do we do that? Okay, look, so because I'm very tired and I'm not being productive anymore, I'm gonna end up this first stream here. Thanks for watching. I mean, nobody's watching, but whatever. Bye.